So that right there is the new vacuum. It's supposed to be a wet and dry vac. And over here we have the power cord to charge it. This is just out of the box. I had not even charged it. This is to hang it up on the wall. There's a nice manual here on how to do different things. And this is part of the wet part of the vacuum cleaner. We're going to mess with that tomorrow. And these are all the other attachments. Nice long shaft on this thing to get in between, you know, like the car seats and stuff like that. These are going to be cool. And it's adjustable. The handle's adjustable depending on how tall you are. And you don't have to put the whole thing on. It's so easy. It's cordless. It's just a breeze to work. I find myself just grabbing it and, you know, just to pick up one little item. It's like so easy to use. Hope you enjoy yours.